ये मैंने लेटेस्ट एंडोर्फिन प्रो 4 ख़रीदे हैं फ्लिपकार्ट से। एंड इसके बारे में मैंने रिव्यूज़ पढ़े थे कि कैसे हैं। लगभग इसमें एक रिव्यू में मुझे ऐसा दिखा, वो कह रहा है ये फेक प्रोडक्ट है, उन्हें जूते जो मिले हैं वो फेक है। मैंने सोचा एक बार मंगा के देखते हैं। एंड रियली में इनकी ये जो क्यूआर कोड है, यहाँ लिखा है कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन इज वियतनाम, all of this comes down to zero when I see the padding of these shoes. Some Boost company pads are provided in the shoe which are of same color matching the interior of the shoe, which means both. Let me show you the pad itself. There's a white hard cushioning beneath it, and this pad, see the pad, very thin pad and low quality pad. This is, there is no Saucony logo on this pad. There is no Saucony or Endorphin speed roll technology written on this pad, which is seen in actual Saucony shoes. uh, Definitely these are fake product. There's some QR code. There's a QR code I can find. See this. This is what is written on this QR code. And the another, the second shoe is also having same thing written. When I checked this QR code, it opened a sauconyindia.com website, which doesn't open, which doesn't open, which have a query string in it, which points to some Facebook tracking code. So I think manufacturer of this fake shoe is tracking if people are opening the link or not. Clearly anyone can see there is no logo of Saucony here. There is no logo of Saucony here. Also, there's a finishing issue. Product is not finished properly, stitched properly. And I can feel the quality when I hold this shoe, the quality of this material used in this shoe is definitely cheap material. The material that we find in $10 shoes. It's kind of thermocol. It presses like thermocol. This material presses like a thermocol, but kind of tough thermocol because it's used in a fake shoe. They have to use some quality thermocol instead. First time I've seen a fake shoe sold for the price of real shoe. Worst experience. I'll return this I'll return this, and definitely I'll post this video after I have returned this product already. I'll see if I'll face any issues returning this product. I'll post in this video. And thanks for watching if it ended right now. Okay, I'm closing the video now. These are the fake shoes, you can see.